Eastern Attractive Force Rocket Breakthrough, Challenging the SpaceX Model. Dear viewers, welcome to our channel again. In today's rapidly developing space field, every rocket liftoff is an important milestone for scientific and technological progress. However, when the Attractive Force I rocket of Chinese private company Oriental Space Technology Co. Limited took off, it triggered a wide discussion about innovation. Solid rockets are not a new concept, but the technological breakthrough, cost-effectiveness, and quick response capability of Attractive Force One, as well as its impact on the Chinese commercial space market, have triggered people's thinking about innovation. In today's commercial space field, rockets with solid and liquid propulsion systems are developed in parallel. We have pointed out that a key trend in the future commercial launch market is the shift to reusable liquid rocket technology, as cost has a much greater impact on this field than time factors. In this direction, Elon Musk's SpaceX has a near monopoly on the global commercial satellite launch market except in China, mainly due to the low-cost services they provide. However, in China, Oriental Space Technology Co. Limited recently successfully launched the Attractive Force 1-inch launch vehicle, which was launched in the waters near Haiyang. Attractive Force I not only marks the birth of the world's first medium-sized, all-solid strap-on launch vehicle, but it also has the largest takeoff mass and the strongest carrying capacity currently used in the world, which is the most solid launch vehicle. This achievement has brought intense debate. Can this rocket be regarded as a major innovation? Considering the following aspects, we can evaluate whether this all-solid launch vehicle represents a major innovation. First, technological innovation is an important criterion for measurement. Attractive Force I introduces a novel strap-on structure design, which makes the rocket no longer dependent on the traditional rail transportation system, thus enhancing the flexibility of the transportation mode. At the same time, the rocket uses advanced technologies such as inflatable flexible shields and purely mechanical flip frames, which not only optimize the operation process, but also reduce the cost of production and maintenance. Are these technological breakthroughs sufficient to be recognized as an important innovation in the aerospace field? Second, from a cost-effective perspective, solid launch vehicles do not require temporary refueling and can be stored and mass-produced for a long time, thus reducing the average cost per launch. Based on this advantage, Attractive Force One has achieved a significant economy of scale, reducing the unit launch cost by more than 50% compared to small rockets. Does such cost-effectiveness bring disruptive changes to the commercial aerospace market? Third, rapid response capability is also an important indicator of competitiveness. Attractive Force One uses its half-body storage strategy to quickly respond to emergency launches within 24 hours and is expected to achieve high-frequency launches once a week in the future. Does this increase in response speed add a new competitive advantage to the commercial launch vehicle market? Fourth, the rapid response capability is extremely strong. As an all-solid fuel launch vehicle, Attractive Force One can adopt a half-body storage method to reserve its launch capacity. In the best case, it can prepare and execute emergency launches within 24 hours. In the future, it is planned to provide a launch support service by one vessel per week, and to achieve a higher launch frequency by equipping multiple launch vessels. One of the major advantages of solid rockets is that they can be stored in a warehouse and can be erected directly for launch operations once they need to be launched. In other words, we can store a large number of rockets in peacetime, and once there is a demand, we only need to load the payload, and dozens or even hundreds of rockets can be launched in a day. This ability to respond quickly is highly competitive in China's commercial space launch market. Fifth, Attractive Force One also has a major technological innovation. That is, it adopts the booster ignition during the takeoff stage and the propulsion method of continuous ignition of the main engine during the flight, avoiding the interference problem caused by the engine out of sync. You can see from the video that a low pressure area is formed at the tail of the rocket. causing the flames of the 4 boosters to deflect inward, creating a unique inner H-shaped tail flame. Attractive Force 1 is a major innovation of China's commercial solid launch vehicle. With a carrying capacity of 6.5 tons in low Earth orbit and 4.2 tons in Sun-synchronous orbit, which can be raised to 5.9 tons using liquid engines. Its successful launch marks a significant increase in China's carrying capacity, exceeding the 2.3 tons of ESAS Vega-C. As a domestic first-of-its-kind bundled design, it is suitable for sea launch and easy to transport by road, improving flexibility. In terms of cost, the use of inflatable shields and purely mechanical flip frames reduces construction and maintenance costs. Attractive Force 1's long-term storage capacity and assembly line production advantages reduce its unit launch cost by more than 50% compared to small rockets, promoting the development of China's commercial aerospace sector. Overall, as a solid-fuel launch vehicle, Attractive Force 1 has a certain advantage in the current Chinese commercial space market and has also made some achievements in technological innovation. The same company is also developing a medium-sized to large-scale recoverable liquid launch vehicle called Attractive Force 2, claiming that it will break through the core technical problems in just 2 years, and its carrying capacity is expected to reach 15 to 20 tons. If this goal can be achieved, then China's commercial rocket development will be close to the level of the U.S. Space Exploration Technology Corporation, SpaceX. We are full of expectations for this. Finally, I summarized today's video, hoping to give you some inspiration and value. The successful launch of Attractive Force 1 marks a major milestone in China's private space industry. The innovative design and technological breakthroughs of its all-solid launch vehicle have brought us new thinking and inspiration. In the field of commercial launch vehicles, it is not only necessary to pursue cost-effectiveness, but also need technological innovation and flexibility to respond to market demands. Attractive Force 1's rapid response capability and cost advantage have won China a greater competitive advantage in the commercial space field. However, with the success of Attractive Force 1, we should also think carefully about the challenges it may bring. One of them is the limitation of solid rockets, which may affect future reusability and environmental sustainability. Therefore, we need more investment and research to explore more innovative and sustainable solutions such as liquid rockets. At the same time, we also need to pay attention to the training of talents and the promotion of technology to ensure that China's private space industry can maintain a leading position in the future.